we are looking at what is the missionary position and how to pronounce it properly. What is the meaning of this phrase? The missionary position or man on top position is a sex position in which generally a woman lies on her back and a man lies on top of her while they face each other and engage in a vaginal intercourse. Furthermore, the position may also be used for other sexual activities such as anal sex. It is commonly associated with heterosexual sexual activity, but it's also used by same-sex couples. The missionary position. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names and what is their meaning. Words whose pronunciations aren't obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.